Hello dear student, class 7 exercise 1.4 question number 6. So given information is in class test plus 3 marks are given for correct answer and minus 2 for the incorrect answer and no marks for not attending any questions. So this is the given information in the question and it is divided into two parts. So their parts are, first part, Radhika scored 20 marks if she got 12 correct answer. So how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So first given information we note it down here, plus 3 marks for every correct answer. Okay, so you can write here 1 correct answer equals to plus 3 mark. Okay, and 1 incorrect answer is how much mark? Minus 2. So for 1 incorrect minus 2 and 1 correct 3 mark. Now we go for question number 1. Radhika scored 20 mark. So you can write here Radhika total score is 20 marks. Okay, if she got 12 correct answer, so as you know 1 correct answer is minus 2, so 12 correct answer you can easily calculate. 12 correct answers marks equals to, as 1 incorrect answer is minus 2. Okay, and 1 correct answer is 3, and here we have to calculate 12 correct answer. So what will be the formula? 12 into 3, because for 1 correct answer 3, so 12 correct answer 12 into 3 is 36. Got that? Now we have calculated for the correct answer. Now we go for the incorrect, and in the question they are asking how many question she attempted incorrectly. So you can write here total incorrect marks. How you can calculate? You have to subtract from total marks. So total score is 20 and total correct answer mark is 36. So we will do their subtraction. 20 minus 36 is minus 16. Okay, then after calculating total incorrect marks, you have to calculate how many total incorrect questions are there, and same thing they are asking in question, how many question has she attempted incorrectly. So you can write here number of incorrect questions. So here for calculating number of questions you have to do division. So total incorrect marks is minus 16, and for 1 incorrect question minus 2 is there, and we have to calculate number of incorrect. So you do division by minus 2, and finally our answer is minus minus gets cancelled. 2 into 8 is 16, so our answer is 8. So you can note it down, number of incorrect questions are 8. Number of incorrect questions are 8. Moving into the second part, Mohini score minus 5. So you can note it down straight away, and we repeat the information once again. 1 correct answer is 3 and 1 incorrect answer is minus 2. Got that? And Mohini score is minus 5, and after that she has got 7 correct answer. So total 7 correct answers marks. So 1 correct answer means 3, so total 7 correct answer means 3 into 7. Got that? So 3 into 7 is 21. So this is the total 7 correct answer. Now in the question, how many question has she attempted incorrectly? So first we will find total incorrect answers Okay, total incorrect answer, or you can write total incorrect question she attempted also. You can construct statement according to you. So here the total mark is -5 she got, and total correct answer marks is 21. So it is -26. Okay, -26. This is the answer. And then number of incorrect questions. Number of incorrect question equals to number of incorrect questions. What will be the formula for that? Total incorrect answers marks, you can note it down, -26. And for one incorrect answer, -2 is there. So divided by -2. So minus minus gets plus, and it is 13. So here you can write the answer. Number of questions attempted (13). Okay, so in this way you can solve this question, and I hope you understood the answer of this question. Thanks for watching. Thank you.